two words that mean two different things. I was writing something this morning and it made me realize that I sometimes have to stop and think about these words. So I thought, you know what, this will be a great time to help everyone else to stop and think about the definition of these words. Titled. Titled is when you give someone a name. In fact, you could say the head of our church is titled Reverend Howe, or the head of our what do you call what is that?
Convocation.
Convocation, and it's titled something like that. So you could go like that. So a titled is giving someone a name. Okay, my pastor is titled Reverend, but entitled means the right that you have to something. I think when we think about entitled, the most important entitlement that you have as an American citizen is the right to vote. Do you not think so? That's something that the right to claim something. Once you turn, what age do you have to be to vote?
18.
18. Then you are entitled to claim that right to vote, okay? Listen to this very carefully. Do not use entitled before the name of a book. You don't want to say the book is entitled, the speech is entitled, the poem is entitled, or the song is entitled. You don't use that. You use the word titled because that's the name that it's given. Does that make sense? Okay, so we look. It says, this is my example sentence. I felt entitled to title my speech, You don't know my story. Remember this? This hangs up in the front of the classroom. This is sort of like my motto. Don't judge me. You don't know my story. Well, because I have that as my motto, I am entitled. I have the right to claim that my speech was called You Don't Know My Story. And I got that from my motto. So does that make sense? And I'm giving you this example because a lot of times when you have that little short story in the back of your mind, that helps you remember the difference between the two. So I felt entitled to title my speech You Don't Know My Story. Entitled is a right that you have. Titled is a name that you give something or someone. Okay?